Hi, this is Hardball Retro. Welcome to the Retrodome. Today's game is MicroLeague Baseball II. This was published in 1989 by MicroLeague Sports Association. You can see the credits on the screen, designed by Barry Morstein. Let's get right into it. We're just going to play a new game. And we'll just do AL versus NL grades. I'm going to have the computer manage the NL. Yes for designated hitter. Here's the park dimensions. The game doesn't come with stadiums per se. It's just the default MicroLeague stadium. So I don't think those dimensions really mean anything. Yeah, we'll go with Bob Feller, sure. And I clicked out of full screen there. I didn't mean to do that. That's going to exit full screen. That's not cool. All right. Oh, I don't think I have a choice. We'll do that. Get through our lineup here. There we go. Now we'll go back to full screen. Okay. All right, here's Rod Carew leading off. And on offense, nobody on base. I think your only options are to swing away, or I think you can try to bunt for a hit. It's been a while. So unlike the original MicroLeague, this one defaults to the players not running off the field between innings and running back on, which was like an extremely slow delay as you would watch the runners jogging in, or the fielders jogging in, and then the other team jogging out to their positions. The R button will toggle that, but we don't need to do that because in this edition it's turned off by default. So Ted Williams facing Grover Cleveland or Pete Alexander. Routine grounder. And he's out even though he looked safe. Joe DiMaggio. Sharp grounder, and that's through for a hit. So as with MicroLeague 1, these animations are kind of choreographed, so you've seen them a few times, you know what's going to happen. Babe Ruth the batter, runner on first. Routine fly to left, Aaron should get it easily, bottom of one. Alright, so defense I've got, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the different pitches, so we're going to try a slider, which is 3. And that's one away. Here's Willie Mays. Feller going to challenge him with a heater. Long blast down the line, carrying. It's off the wall and it rolls away. Triple for Mays. A 3-bagger. And McCovey the batter. Feller's in some trouble now. Change up. Long drive, deep right. That's out of here. Mays scores, McCovey scores, and I'm trailing 2-0 already here. Curveball to Aaron. Here we go. I was messing with the emulation speed for DOSBox. Let's see if that makes a difference with reading the play-by-play. Mike Schmidt, heater. Hornsby. Slider. Ooh, Feller's just not pitching well here. No command. He's having trouble finding the plate. He's giving up a triple and a homer. Johnny bench. Curveball. Hard liner to shallow right. That's Duncan in there for a base hit. Runner not trying to score. Bases loaded. Well, I think we need to visit the mound here. Get somebody warming up. So you press enter to cycle through the pitchers on the bottom there. And let's warm up Palmer, and let's warm up Grove. Okay. Yeah, I thought it was going to do that. Alright, back to full screen. Alright. That's unfortunate. Alright, Eddie Matthews, the batter. 3-0 slider. Oh, ball 4. Forces in a run. And we're getting our tails kicked here. It's 3-0 in the first. Ernie Banks. This might be Feller's last batter. Change up. Pop up to the left side, and he's going to get out of it. Alright. Mickey Mantle, the batter. 2-2 change. And the whiff. Brooks Robinson. Hard belt deep to right, maybe extra bases. Robinson trying for second, hard throw to second, he's safe. Ahead of the throw. Joe Cronin. Now I can also do, with a runner on base, I can do 1 to run aggressively on the bases, 2 to run, I don't know, to be cautious, I guess. I think it was run safe, run aggressive. Oh, long drive. Deep left. Nope. Aaron grabs it. Here's Charlie Gehringer, the mechanical man. So 2 outs. We're going to be aggressive here. Check swing roller in the hole. Throws to first. Out. If he gives up any hits, he's done. So, and he's done. Clemente with a double. Alrighty. We'll do a mound visit, which is 0. I'm sure you can find online what the menu options are here. And we're going to bring Grove in. And we're going to end warm-ups. And back to full screen there. Alright, left to Grove in the game. Trying to hold the score to 3-0. Willie Mays the batter. Curveball, hard grounder on the right side, could be tough. Base hit, Clemente is trying to score. Yeah, he is thrown out by 20 feet. Here's McCovey, fastball. Grove challenges him, fly ball to right. Ruth should get it easily, and he does. 2 down. Hank Aaron the batter. Here comes the curveball. Lazy fly down the right field line. Ruth likely will get it. And he does. Top of 3. Okay, Yogi Berra, then top of the order. And Yogi fans. If you want to swing away, you can press 0 or enter. And the same with pitching. 1 is a fastball or enter. 3-2 curve to Carew, low and outside, ball 4, he walks. Now, don't have the menu in front of me. It's been a while. I think 5 is steal, and I think 4 is hit and run. Now, we're going to, since it's just an exhibition, we're going to try to steal if I have the number right here. Nope, he tried to bunt. Bunted in foul ground. I guess 5 is not steal. Was it 3? 3. 3 is steal. Oh, we almost bunted with Ted Ballgame there. Let's try this. 3. There he goes. Carew. Hard throw to second. Oh, they got him. Just nothing going right for us today here. Williams, 2-0 curve. High fly to left. Aaron will get it. And he will get it. Bottom of 3. NL, 3-zip. Schmidt. Then Hornsby. Curveball to Schmitty. Maybe extra bases. Schmidt trying for second. Hard throw to second. Beats the throw. And that's a double for Michael Jack Schmidt. Here's Roger Hornsby. Change up. Hard grounder to the right side. Pitcher covering. Out. Alright. Now. Yeah, there's a way to bring the infield in. Is it 6? And 2. Alright, well that was in at the corners. Down to third, the runner holds, rifle to first. Got him. Nice. Maybe 5 is infield in, or 7. I can't remember. That doesn't matter. Here we go. Eddie Matthews, high fly down the line. Williams over, and he's going to make the catch. Top of 4. Jolton Joe DiMaggio. Liner past the mound, caught by Hornsby. Here's the Babe. We can't get anything going versus Alexander so far. Routine fly right center. Mays ranges over, makes the play. 2 down. I was a big fan of MicroLeague. Growing up, one of the first games I played a ton of this. Not a big fan of the way that the plays are choreographed, and oh, there's one off the pitcher. Alexander with an error. Yeah, the animations, you can tell pretty much what's going to happen, and the play-by-play is pretty limited compared to games that came out, even if, you know, within a few years of this one, but still one of my favorite games. 1-1 curve, shallow blooper, caught by Clemente. There's today's attendance. Okay, bottom of 4. Banks at bat. Clemente up next. Banks, we're going to give him a heater. Hard belt down the line. Looks deep enough, and it is. Out of here. Banks. Solo blast the opposite field, and it's 4-0. NL greats. Getting roughed up here. Clemente, slider, long blast to left center. Williams will likely get it. He's got it. Alright, Willie Mays, the Say Hey Kid. Heater. Hard belt to right center. And kiss it goodbye, home run. Mays. Solo blast. 5-0 NL. Bouncer down to first. Carew knocks it down, race to the bag, and they got him. 2 down for Aaron. Change up. Liner to left. Will he get it? He's got it. Top of 5. Cronin. Geringer. Hard belt, shallow center. Could be tough. Clean single for Cronin. All right, here's Geringer. Hard grounder down to first. Over to second. Fielder's choice. Cronin forced at second. Three-one curve. Grounder in the hole. Another fielder's choice. Berra's on at first. Carew the batter. Line shot down to third. Caught by Matthews. Bottom of 5, we're getting shut out here. Schmidt, Hornsby. High bounder to third. Robinson fields it. Routine throw to first. Out. Rogers, Hornsby. Curveball. Fly ball deep right. Ruth to the track, right in front of the track, and he's got it. Here's Johnny Bench. Slider. High bouncer between first and second. Geringer stops it. Hard throw over to Carew. He's got him. All right, top of 6. NL greats 5. AL greats nothing. Ted Williams the batter. Routine fly, shallow left. Hank Aaron makes the grab. Joe DiMaggio. And Clemente will put that one away for out number 2. Here's the Bambino. Oh, walked him. Okay. Get a little something going here. Here's the Mick. Fly ball to left. Aaron is there, and he makes the grab. 3 down, bottom of 6. Matthews. Swung out and missed. Grove with the K of Matthews. Now we've got Banks. 2-0 changeup. Hot smash on the right side. Base hit. Clean single for Banks. 1 aboard. 1 out. Clemente. Top of the order. Curveball. Bouncer to short. There's 1. And they only get 1. Alright, Clemente's on. Mays. 3-0 slider. And he walks him. Gonna get somebody warmed up here. Get early wind warming. Alright, McCovey giving him the slider. 2-0 slider. Hard grounder past the mound. Throw to third. Safe. Where's the instant replay when you need it? Oh, goodness. Hank Aaron. Fastball. Line drive down the left field line. That's going to drop in there. It's another hit. Throw to third is not in time. 7-0 NL. We're just getting trounced here. Alright, mound visit. pitchers win. This one's turning into a laugher here. And I'm not laughing. Early win is the new pitcher. And we'll get back to the action here momentarily. Curveball to Schmidt. 3-1. That's too high, and he walks. Bases are loaded for Hornsby. This is dangerous. Change up. High fly to right. Ruth will probably get it. Probably. And he caught it. Top of 7. We're down by 7. Brooksy. Lazy fly right center. Mays will likely get it. And he makes the grab. Here's Cronin. Hot smash left side. Matthews fields it cleanly. Rifle throw to first. In time. 2 down. Geringer the batter. 1-1 change. Hard liner down to third. He's out. Okay, Johnny Bench. Fastball. Line shot to left side. And Cronin makes the catch. Eddie Matthews. Curveball. Struck him out. Ernie Banks. Slider. Bam. Grounder back to the mound. Got him. Top of the 8th. Barra batting. Little blooper. Shallow left. That's a base hit. Okay, Carew hitting away. Oh, struck him out. The rare strikeout for Rodney Klein Carew. Here's Ted Williams. Hot smash on the left side. Could be 2. Safe at first. Here's Damage. Popped up. Hornsby pulls it in. That's 3 down. Bottom of the 8th. Clemente, Mays, and so on. 3-1 slider. Clemente walks. That's rare. Do not see that often. Texas Leaguer could be tough. Clean single. McCovey. 2-1 fastball. Hard belt down the right field line. That's going to drop in there. That's going to score 1. 2-bagger for Clemente. We're going to get somebody warming in the pen here. Mostly righties. Got mostly righties here. A little Cy Young action here, right? Why not? There we go. Okay, Hank Aaron. We could walk him, but we're down 8-0. It doesn't matter. It's exhibition. 1-2 slider, and he fans on it anyway. Michael Jack Schmidt. Here comes the heat. Booming fly up the left field alley. DiMaggio will probably get it, but he probably won't get it because it's off the wall. He's having trouble now. And 2-run triple, 10-0. Alright, 2 down. I know it's late in a meaningless contest, but bringing Cy Young in here. And the pitcher just walks off the mound in disgust. Young is the new pitcher. And is going to throw the curveball to bench. Popped up on the right-hand side and caught by Carew. Top of 9, Ruth Mantle. And we'll see who we've got on the bench potentially. It would be nice if we get somebody on base here. Or maybe score a run even. Here we go. Alexander dealing shutout. Here's Ruth. Liner into right center. There's a base hit. Clean single for the Babe. Okay, Mantle due up. Line shot to right center. Clemente over. Makes the grab. Yeah, we're going to bat for Brooksy here. If I hit the right button. Yes, I did. On the bench, Cochran, Kaline, Gehrig, Yaz, Cobb, Aparicio. Well, I like Gehrig here, but he could ground into a DP, so maybe we'll go Cobb. Let's do that. Robinson will be taken out. Cobb is the new batter. 1-2 fastball. Fly ball to right. Nothing doing there. Clemente's got it. 2 down. And same with Cronin. We're going to bat for Cronin. And here we're going to use Gehrig. Lou Gehrig batting for Cronin. High bouncer, shortstop. Fielder's choice, that's the game. NL 10, AL 0. Let's check out our box score. There's our line score. Game was over in the first inning pretty much. If we were playing in a league, we would hit C to compile. You've got the P to print option. So N for next page. Here's our American League batters. Nobody really doing a whole lot there. Mays 4 for 4. McCovey knocked in 4 with 3 hits. Schmidt 2 hits, 2 ribbies. Banks 2 hits. Pretty much everybody involved except for Hornsby and Matthews knocked in a run, but Feller, Grove, Wynn all gave up a ton of hits and runs. And Alexander goes the distance. 9 shutout innings, 5 hitter. Couple of walks, 3 Ks. Next page. Errors, doubles, triples, homers. And we're back to here. So E to end it. And we're back to the main screen. So that is MicroLeague Baseball 2 for the IBM PC. Hope you enjoyed the game, folks. Until next time, keep playing ball, take care, and we'll see you soon.